struggling to grow your YouTube channel, this video is for you. In this video today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your first 1,000 subscribers fast, even if you are just starting from zero. Hello, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ijapari Gang, and the first step to getting your first 1,000 subscribers fast on YouTube is getting the right niche and the right audience. You need to first of all understand that the game of YouTube as a beginner is that the narrower the audience, the faster the growth. You can always change later, but as a starter, you need to focus on one clear topic that people should know you for. And in order to get that, you can just fill in this blank space, like my channel help so and so, do so and so that they can achieve so and so. Have you taken a screenshot? All right, so you need to get that, because people that are coming on YouTube, they are coming for a transformation. They need to get or learn something, which is going to take me to the second step in getting your subscribers fast. Create searchable content. As a beginner, you should first of all know that YouTube is not just a social media. YouTube is a search engine, and people that are coming on YouTube, they are coming to search for one thing or the other. So if you are starting, ensure that you know what type of content that your audience wants and put it in a searchable way. Like this video now, I am focusing on people that are struggling to get their 1,000 subscribers. That is why the title is How to Get Your First 1,000 Subscribers Fast on YouTube. You can make video like how to lose your belly fat fast after delivery and all that. So you need to create searchable content, and in order for you to do that, you need to search YouTube to check people that are doing something in related to your niche, what type of content they are creating. Search on YouTube. You can also use vidIQ. You can also check Google Trends and all that, but ensure as a beginner your videos are searchable on YouTube. You don't have the liberty of just posting anything you feel like if you really want to grow fast on YouTube. So the third step in getting your first 1,000 subscribers, you need to learn how to optimize your YouTube videos. You need to learn how to add description, the tags, the thumbnail, the pin message and all that, because the moment you publish your videos on YouTube is how you optimize it that will determine either YouTube will create or bring your content to the suggested for anyone searching for that content. And that is why I took my time to do this video explaining to you in detail how to optimize your YouTube videos even with your mobile phone. Because if you create content and you do not optimize it very well, the moment you publish it is going to sink down below, and you and I know that that is not what we want. The fourth step in getting your first 1,000 subscribers is you need to upload consistently and add this short strategy. As a beginner YouTuber, you need to first get it that short form content increase your exposure. So when you create your video, let's say you create 2 long form video, ensure you also have 2 or 3 short form video that is related to that long form video, so that when you upload your long form video, you also upload the short form video. And in creating the short form video and uploading it, while you upload it, also there's a place you see related video, so you click on it. When you click on that related video, so that you add the related video, so that anyone that is watching your short form content can go click and watch the full form content. So you have to be consistent and add the short strategy. The fifth step in getting your first 1,000 subscribers, you need to promote the smart way. Like, gone are the days that you say you are a YouTuber and you are shy. In fact, you have to be proud of who you are. So as a YouTuber, you have to promote your videos in other platforms, because the higher people come from other platforms to come watch your video, the more YouTube will want to promote your video. So how do you do that? You can add your short form video in your Facebook story. You can also add it to Instagram Reel. You can also add it on TikTok. You can also add it in your WhatsApp status. You can also join different support group. Like right now we are running a 30 days YouTube growth challenge. In that Telegram group, what we do is we are supporting each other. First, we have learned a lot from creating, uploading, editing videos, everything with your mobile phone. And not only that, when you create your video, you drop it there, and we support each other by going to watch each other's content, dropping comments and all that. So you have to learn how to promote your video the smart way. This is 2025. The sixth step in getting your first 1,000 subscribers is you need to engage to retain subscribers. So every comment that someone drop on your video, you need to go and reply them and engage with other posts. Like right now, as you are watching this video, if you are a new content creator, a new YouTuber, you can drop, I am new YouTuber, let's engage. And as many people that drop a comment in the comment section or come and reply to your comments, you go engage with their posts, you go and like them. One thing you should also learn is that if you want to outsmart other people, thinking you will just go drop comment and you will not follow them, or you will not subscribe to them, or you will not engage with them, it will surely come back and haunt you. So if you are ready to grow, you can just comment new YouTuber in the comment section so that you can engage with yourself in the comment section. Another strategy in engaging with your subscribers is you can also go live. If you don't know how to go live, let me know in the comment section so that I can create a video showing you exactly how to go live on YouTube and all that. One thing I want you to have at the back of your mind is that every big content creator, every big YouTuber you see out there starts from zero. And the difference between you and the big YouTubers is consistency. So start today, be committed, and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.